We shall start in Adobe Illustrator. I already have a set of layers which we shall use. You can download these layers in the link at the description below. The layers are grouped as the continents, the globe layer, and the background layer. If you download these layers, you do not need to open Adobe Illustrator, unless you'd like to change the colors. Save the file. Make sure these options are selected. And then open After Effects. If you would like to skip these steps and download the whole project, the link for the project file is in the description below. In a new project, select New Composition. Let us name the composition Globe. I will be using 1920 by 1080p, and the following settings. You are free to use different settings for your project. Then click OK. Use Ctrl+Y to insert a new layer to your project. You can make it in any color you prefer. Then name this Solid Globe. The next step is to import your layers. Import the Earth 2 layers into the globe composition. Make sure it is on top of the solid layer. Arrange the layers so that the background is the second last. And then resize the layers until you are satisfied. Once you have done this, duplicate the globe layer. Place the duplicate on top of the continents layer. Rename this layer as Mate. On the Track Mate section, change it to Alpha Mate to Mate layer. The continents will now be visible only within the globe. You can animate the position of the layer to get a spinning effect. Use F9 to ease the movement. You will notice that the project still looks 2D, we need it to look like an actual globe. To fix this, right-click, and add a new adjustment layer. In Effects and Presence, select Bulge, and add it to the adjustment layer. A circle will be added on the project. Adjust the settings of the bulge so that it covers the whole globe. Resize the horizontal and vertical radius. You can also increase the bulge from the bulge height settings, but don't change it too much. Since our project is a bit too short, I will change the composition settings to add a bit of time to it. I will then shift the position of the keyframes, to make the animation longer. And there you go.